Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're exploring how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. Pinterest is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. Here's how you can start making money by pinning. Set up a Pinterest business account. Optimize your profile for affiliate marketing success. Choose the right niche. Focus on popular and profitable niches to maximize your reach. Create engaging pins. Design visually appealing pins that attract clicks and repins. Add affiliate links. Integrate your affiliate links seamlessly into your pins. Promote your pins. Use Pinterest SEO and group boards to expand your audience. Track your results. Monitor your performance and adjust your strategy for better results. For more details on each step, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.